Hey, it's Jess, and I want to know what's behind this door.
Lower by your hip.
Sorry, this door.
Even lower.
This door.
Yes.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Jess, and I want to know what's behind this door.
This is gonna take your breath away. Here's the pool.
So this place is really cool. It's really big. There's a giant pool here. So can you tell us where we are?
We're at the Neutral Buoyancy Lab at the Sonny Carter training facility. So it's actually 202 feet long, 102 feet wide, 40 feet deep, and 6.2 million gallons.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
a lot of water.
Neutral buoyancy can simulate the zero G, the zero gravity that astronauts feel in space better than any other environment here on Earth.
So what's like a typical day for a diver like yourself?
A typical day for a diver is supporting ISS operations.
So what is the ISS mock-up for?
It's for spacewalk training. So all of the mock-ups are exactly the same size and shape with the handrails in the same locations as the astronauts would expect to find in space. It's important for them to practice here in the pool so they know what to expect when they get to space. On the dive team, we have safety divers, float camera divers, and utility divers. The safety divers work as a pair of two for one astronaut.
So what's happening today? There's so much activity going on.
Yeah, I told you it was gonna get crazy. We have an astronaut getting suited up in a prototype version of the XEMU, which is the exploration suit intended to walk on the surface of the moon.
What's the difference between this suit and the suits that you normally use?
There's better mobility, so that includes walking with your feet, that includes reaches with your arm, as well as field of vision. So the helmet bubble is a lot different on this suit, so the astronaut can see more peripherally.
Okay, that's cool. That's a fun fact. I did not know that. Oh, I see you lifting.
Here he goes.
Here he goes. Goodbye. Have fun on your test today.
Clint, you forgot your mask.
How do you recreate the moon down there?
It took a lot of iterations of different types of sand to find the perfect hydrophobic magic sand. They can trench through it, they can take sand samples as they would.
You can build sandcastles.
Oh yeah, we do that a lot, that's fun.
So I see you're all suited up. Can I jump in too?
No.
Okay. So we saw what's behind that door. I give it